Why learn Excel? I believe that being able to use Microsoft Excel, followed by Google Sheets, is a useful skill for almost every career. I cannot think of a 21st century job that can't use Excel to better track and organize information. What is a spreadsheet? Before computers, information was often written down in special notebooks called ledgers. They had pages divided into rectangles where you wrote information. This is an example of one. These ledgers were often quite large and needed to be spread across a desk. They were also spread across 2 pages sometimes, like a newspaper. This is where the term spreadsheet originated. Why is data important? Data is another word for information. It can be names, colors, sizes, phone numbers, and many other things. If you wanted to organize your friends' data, you might want to make a list that had their name, their birth date, their phone number, and their email. Today, we keep data about people we know on our cell phone. But data can be bigger. It can be more than just this. We can use data to help us make decisions, create and track goals, and often monitor finances. Here is an example of using data to make a decision. Let's pretend it's 1923 and you want to start a new transportation business. You have to decide if you want to focus on horses or cars. Remember, during this time, there were more horses than cars in the U.S. Really, what you could have done in 1923 is look at the data and see how things were changing over time. Was there an increase or decrease in the popularity of horses and cars? As you can see, people were switching to cars over horses. I can't remember the last time I saw a horse being used for transportation. Being able to visualize data is a useful skill. We will be creating 3 small projects in this class that will be more useful than the comparison of car and horse ownership. So who is this guy teaching the class? My name is John Chakowski, and I created my first spreadsheet in 1988 using a program called Lotus 123. Prior to teaching, I worked in New York City for 15 years in the corporate sector. I began teaching at Bergen Community College in 2004, and I still use spreadsheets. If you want to do the math, you'll see that I've been using spreadsheets for over 30 years. I currently do spreadsheets to do my student grading, keep and track budgets, and provide information to the college administration. I also use spreadsheets to monitor my personal finances and my ridiculously large book collection. Spreadsheets have been a very important part of both my professional and personal life. Learning how to use them has helped me achieve many goals, both at home and at work. My goal for this course is to help you gain comfort using spreadsheets. This will translate into a useful skill. That's it for this video. See ya.